question everyone wants to know. Besides, whose dog is that running in the background?
That would be mine and Dad's. That is Alexander.
That's Alexander. Hopefully he's not running away from home again. I just want to know if you know what this is.
It's a pitiful looking cat. That is a pitiful looking cat. One eye is different than the other.
Why is it pitiful looking?
Well, it's angry looking. It's just an angry looking cat.
Well, it is a grumpy cat. I will tell you that. Now, this is sweeping the internet right now. This is the grumpy cat.
Okay, and why is he grumpy?
Well, that's what you need to determine, what the caption is.
Okay, let me dream up a caption.
A cat caption.
A cat caption. I told you 3 weeks ago to empty my litter box.
That's pretty good. Give us another one.
I don't like the latest fad litter. It gives me an itch on my fanny.
Do cats have fannies?
Yes, well, where do you think all that stuff comes from? Okay, another caption.
Wow, she's full of them.
Let's see.
What about a caption that applies to you?
To me?
To you personally, when you look at this.
I told Dad to empty that damn dishwasher last night. So we're going to talk about auto-tuning. Folks, Lindsay has convinced me that I should participate on Pinterest. So as of today, follow me and Lindsay on Pinterest. Not sure what you're going to get, but it will be fun.
Between us and the auto-tune, and it would be sort of funny. Do you know what auto-tune is?
Of course not.
What? Just saying. A conversation between us and the auto-tune into auto-tune greatness.
On the patio.
Remix. Remixed. You sound so hip.
Y'all making bacon?